Drinking coffee or water?
Water. I'm so over caffeinated right now. Do you want some caffeine?
I mean, sure.
There's a nitro drink.
This will keep you up to tomorrow afternoon, basically.
Yeah. I don't have
So what is nitro? It's just got a lot of caffeine or something?
Don't ask questions. It's called nitro. Do you need to know anything else?
It's got nitrogen in it. That's ridiculous. I mean, what we breathe is 78% nitrogen anyway. What do you need to add more for? Most people think that they're breathing oxygen, and they're actually breathing 78% nitrogen. You need like a milk bar, like from Clockwork Orange.
Yeah. Is that top 3 Kubrick film for you?
Clockwork Orange, it's pretty good. I mean, it's demented. Jarring, I'd say.
Okay.